Guys, Ryan Margolin here, and I wanted to talk a little bit about our Dermal Loc product today. This is a water-based adhesive for full head bonding, and it has a 4 to 5 week hold time. How this product differs from the rest of our products is that this is our only product in our adhesive line that is specifically for polyurethane units. So this product cannot be used on lace. It's a little bit too thick, but when you apply this and you're using your poly unit, this will provide a hold which is just unrivaled across any of our adhesives. It's extremely strong, extremely durable. Unfortunately, it isn't water resistant, but it does have a very heavy resistance to climate. So if you are working out or you're on a beach, it will hold up. But if you're going into a sauna of any sort, we would advise against it. Maybe it'd be beneficial to look at one of our Ghost Bond adhesives. But in simple terms, this is a very reliable product. And if you're using a poly unit and you have no need to go in a sauna or anything of that sort, this could be a good product choice for you. So look, we're always at the other end of the phone or email if you have any questions. And look, that's pretty much the black and white of the product. So thanks for listening, and we'll hear from you soon.